What's going on, family? It's your man MattDV. We are in Newark, New Jersey, and we are about to, I'm walking down Bergen Street. I'm over here by Shepherd Ave and Mapes Ave, and we're gonna go check out Golden Chicken. Matthew Dennis suggested this, so we're gonna check out Golden Wings, not chicken, Golden Wings and chicken. What's the difference then? They said Golden Wings and chicken. It's right behind me, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's go and see what they got. 1005 Bergen Street. How you doing, bro? Thanks. Well, it's nice and cool in here, y'all. They got air. The menu looks nice. I'm gonna just get, y'all know what I'm getting. I'm gonna get I should get the buffalo wings. It went off. Buffalo wings. 5 for $5.49. I'm gonna go with the traditional wings. Should I get 5 and 5, y'all? I think I'm gonna get 5 and 5. I'm gonna get 5 regular wings and 5 buffalo wings. You got the buffalo wings now? I'm gonna get 5 buffalo wings and 5 of the regular wings. It's better than ambassadors? Right, we won't put them on the spot, y'all. We won't put. What you think, bro? This the best chicken in town? All right, y'all. This our order coming up. All right, check us out, man. Don't forget. All right, we got our food, y'all. We gonna go sit in the car and eat it. On Bergen Street and Mapes. Bergen Street and Mapes Ave, Newark, New Jersey. All right, y'all, it's raining outside, so I got in the car and let's check it out. Oh, that's the hot wings. Those are the buffalo wings right there. Buffalo, and this is the regular. Oh man, this looks, I'm gonna tell y'all, right? This reminds me of ambassadors. Even though it wasn't ambassadors, it reminded me of ambassadors. Right? Look at that. Look at the chicken. Look at that, man. Nice and hot. And you got the buffalo wings there. You got that right there. Nice and hot, right? Check that out, yo. Check it out. Oh, I just cleaned my hands just in case you're wondering. They are clean. Let's dig into it. Ooh, that joker hot. Spicy hot. All right, y'all, here it is, right? Once again, we over here on Bergen Street. And I'm gonna eat some of the hot buffalo wings first. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. And here you don't get the whole wing. You just get the part of it. the third of a wing. I started to say the quarter. I taste a little bit of crunch in there, but it's definitely spicy. We don't need no hot sauce for these. And I'll be forgetting. I could tell them I don't want this part here. I don't want the drumstick looking part. I'd rather have the flats. And there's 3 flats in here and 2 of the drum types. My total came to $14. And just to get to the regular pieces while they're still hot, they're good buffalo wings. They have it's not soggy, it's just soft. You know, it has that hot sauce on it. I guess they dip it in there real good. But I thought it would be, I don't know why I thought it would be the whole wing, but it's not. You know, some people don't eat tips. I like to bite on, chew on the tips too. And let's just try it. Now that's a pretty small, I think this one here was $5. And then that one, it came to $14 total with the soda. I was trying to figure out the math because y'all see the menu. Let's put the menu up. Y'all see the menu there. So with the soda probably was $2.50. See, it's really it's juicy. I lick them fingers, y'all. Okay, those are good. I give them the thumbs up. Now we're going for the traditional. Look, you know, look at them wings, man. I'm gonna hold them up there because I'll be taking it down too fast. Wings look about the same, right, as my favorite chicken spot in Newark, New Jersey, Ambassadors. But let's check it out, right? I'm gonna do my unbiased opinion of what these wings are. All right, this is the wing right there. That's, oh, see, this is I like the way it's coming apart. Nice and crunchy. I can taste the oil is fresh. You know, it's not too burnt. It's not burnt at all. Very hot, still hot. I was sitting in the car setting my rig up here. It's nice and hot. I mean, to me, it means they just bought it out. So let me meditate here real quick and get a nice bite, right? I got this nice piece with the meat on it because I'm gonna tell you what the difference is already. It's a good chicken wing. The only thing, Ambassadors, is more tasty, and I would attribute that to the batter or whatever the shake is that they use at Ambassadors. Because these, if I had a little salt, I would add it, and you know, you don't really be adding no salt. Let's check it out with some hot sauce.
Y'all see what I got? I got a packet of hot sauce. It's cayenne hot sauce. Diamond red cayenne hot sauce right there. Check it out. I got my hot sauce.
Put a little hot sauce on there. That's what you needed, y'all. It's missing that season. It's not seasoned as well as Ambassadors. Nice and crunchy. Tastes really fresh. Smells fresh. All right, y'all. That's what it is. Golden Wings, Bergen Street, Newark, New Jersey. We're here. So they got the tips on this piece. Nice and crunchy. They are well done and cooked to perfection. Now, I heard a couple people talk about this, but Dennis Williams, is it Williams? No, it's not. I'm sorry. I heard a couple people talk about this, but Matthew Dennis told me, like, why don't you go right down the street from Ambassadors? Ambassadors is about 4 blocks from here on Wines and Bergen. And these are good wings. I suggest this spot to you guys. Come on down, check them out. I'm gonna eat another hot wing. I'm gonna save some of them wings. Oh, look what I got. I got some Fanta soda. If you open the soda and it don't go, psst, that ain't no good soda. Pineapple Fanta. I could do a commercial for them right now. It's not even that hot outside, but that soda hit the spot. The buffalo wings, once again, I'm gonna go for the flat, and we're gonna end it. Hey, big up to all our patrons. Thank you for becoming a patron. Thanks to all our subscribers. If you're watching this video and like the content, subscribe. I look at my stats weekly, and most of the people that watch these videos don't subscribe, but they do come back to watch the video. So, like, help a brother out. Subscribe. Like, nobody told you they love you today. You are hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Have a beautiful day. patrons. Big up to our patrons, Michael and Brendan. Brendan is coming from Canada, and Michael, thanks man for y'all support. Love you cats. You can also support. There's a $sign at the bottom of the video. I forget exactly what it says. It's a new thing. You can support. Click that, and I'm gonna have the names of the people who support it online. This is delicious. I wish it had a crunch to it. Can you still keep the crunch once you dip it in this sauce? I know the sauce is helping to make it not crunchy. I hate using the word soggy. I guess it is soggy, but these are good. I like the sauce that they put on them, but I wish I can just take a little of that sauce that's on these and put them. All right, one more. I'm gonna eat one more. Here on the flats. That's how that chicken look. It's well done, right? And another thing, these aren't those big fat, we used to call them hen wings. I don't like big fat chicken wings. Like they've been injected with something. These are the wings the size of the wings when I was small. Now y'all probably gonna say everything looks different when we're bigger, but this is it. I love the crunch. I love the fresh oil taste that's in there, but it just need a little more seasoning. And it would be 100. I'm going, y'all. MattDV signing off. Peace.